Alright, gonna start up the T5R. Battery a little low, but fired right up. Air conditioning came on. You can hear the compressor. Fans work. Condition with all this stuff. It's a little dusty in here. Just a little wiping down would do it, but dashboard looks great. Right. And then all that stuff, headliner. Absolutely excellent shape. I don't know how good that video is going to turn out, but everything looks good. Sunroof works. It's in good shape. Does not leak. The car does have tint. So, alright. So I'll go ahead and pull it outside. And I'll take some pictures of the under the hood. Okay. That's it.